Hey y'all, I'm going to show you guys how I did this coffee nail. I know there's a word that people like to call these, but apparently I can't use it or I could get sued for copyright infringement. So I'm going to call it a coffee nail. So what I did is that I took 2 press-on nails and I used a bit of Flex Gel and I put it on top of the bottom nail, and then I basically just squished the top nail on top of that. Basically my goal here was really just to create like a strong foundation, and I also didn't need liquid all the way to the top based on the design I was going to do. So I was like, well, I'll just fill the top in with some gel and that'll probably help, question mark, I don't know. And then I was basically just trying to smooth out the Flex Gel, which I did a bad job of, rip. And then I went ahead and I put the Flex Gel in on the sides as well. I squeezed it because I wanted it to like go into the nail a little bit, like in between the 2 nails as a more solid foundation. Full disclosure, when I was filing, it did come off and I had to glue it back down, but once I glued it back down, it was a-okay. So I did that on the other side as well. And then learning moment was that this was awful to file, and yeah, it's a really old file, so like honestly probably could have helped myself, but I would probably try to use less Flex Gel and make it smooth. But anyways, this is how it looked. Second learning moment is that hole is too small. I couldn't put a lot of the stuff I wanted to put in there. I don't know what I was thinking. Like I wanted to do little ice cubes and stuff. I was gonna make it really legit. But anyways, put some top coat on it, and this is how we're looking. So after that, I went ahead and painted on my coffee cup. This is what she looks like. I put the straw kind of sticking out the top here, but then I also put the rest of the straw on the back because I wanted it to look like the straw was in the coffee, you know what I mean? Not just like existing on top of the coffee like it would have if I put the whole thing on the front. So there's that thought process. But after that, it was time to fill them. So I bought these pipettes on Amazon, and so the first time I tried was a fail. I put glitter in with the mixture, and you can like literally see it's too thick, and the glitter just clogged up the top, and then all the juice ran down the side. So love that for me. Had to start fresh. So what I did was I used isopropyl alcohol and some gel polish to make the brown, and the second time I did this, it worked a lot better with the glitter not in the way. So I went ahead and piped that in there. And then I realized I actually overfilled it a little bit. So the way that I got the extra juice out was that I tapped it onto the paper towel, and the paper towel sucked it up a little bit, and that made it a little like better for me. After that, I wiped it all down with isopropyl. Don't forget to wipe it down because that juice that spilled down the side, that has gel polish in it. So if you set it, the gel polish is going to be on there for life. Then I came in with a piece of Flex Gel and I sealed the end. So what I did with that was I literally just like squidged it in. Again, I wanted it to go in a little bit. I really wanted this to be sealed. And then I fixed it on the outside so that I wouldn't have to file it. Learning moment. And then this is how it turned out. So, I mean, I definitely think the color of it could be better. The more I look at it, the more it looks gray, but I did my best, and I hope Duncan likes these because I like Duncan. One could even say I love Duncan. Is it too soon? I don't know. Have a great day, everybody, and if you want any more tips, let me know. Bye.